Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Looks like I forgot to post my wellness planner for this week, which is the black and white classic size happy planner. It is a vertical and I am going to be using, I actually don't know what to do. This is for the week of October 4th through the 10th, and let me show you. So I pulled the kellofaplan P.O.Box. I like a lot of her graphics, so I decided to do something kind of whimsical with these blue pumpkins. So let's see how that turns out. When she does some of her clear stickers like these, they're kind of fuzzy, which I don't like them. They're like pixelated a little bit. I'm not sure if you guys know what I'm talking about. I like my stickers normally very vibrant. Anyhow, I grabbed my correction tape and I'm removing all of these lines from underneath, and I'm gonna go ahead and place another pumpkin. That's a big one. So let me go ahead and continue removing those lines. And if you are joining me for the first time, welcome. I hope you like it here. If you're already subscribed to my channel or you're coming back, welcome back. I hope you like it here as well and stay with me for this awesome journey. Okay, I'm gonna add these florals. Let's see, perfect. I just don't want things showing through. Okay, so that's what it's going to look like for now. I think that's good. And then I'm gonna add these boxes. So there's a slight issue with these boxes. They're colored in. So if I wanted to match any other boxes from any other book, I don't think that's possible. Let me know if you guys like that or if you don't necessarily like those colored in boxes. I do like the edges of the flowers and the matching colors, but I think I would have preferred the white box. I'm not sure how about you guys. Okay, I'm gonna cut a pumpkin and just add it all around. And I'll add one more pumpkin right there. Yeah, okay. Let's see. So I'm gonna go ahead and make some dots, and those will be my bullet points. So I do track 5 things as far as ingesting goes. So I track breakfast, lunch, dinner, a snack, and any kind of medicine or supplements that I have to take. Okay, so there's that. So 5 on each day. And I'm just using a black fine liner from the brand called Sipa. Okay, looks like I need one more thing on a Sunday in the corner. So I'll go ahead and add that. I think that will add a little bit more. Sorry about my hair poking through, it's getting so long. Okay, now Saturday. And one more. We are practically done. Thank you for staying with me for this really quick plan with me. I hope you really like it, and I'll see you guys soon for another plan with me. Thank you so much for watching and have a great week. Bye!